we're gonna be cleaning a stained headliner, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make it go from this to clear. Okay, so what I like to use is kind of an awkward way to position the camera, but I like to use a microfiber orbit on a polisher, and it works pretty well. I mean, it's the easiest. And then I use like an APC. I use Super Clean. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dampen this a little bit, and we're gonna spray a little bit on the headliner. And I know a lot of people don't recommend this because the headliner could fall, but I've never had any issue with it. And we're gonna use speed 1 through 2. And we're going to take a microfiber towel, you know, any one that you have, and just wipe up the excess. And as you guys can see, significant difference. Obviously, we're going to do a couple more passes just to get it very thorough. But, I mean, look at it. Significant difference. So we're going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I will get back with you guys. So when you guys are doing this, don't go be doing big sections at once. Do it like you polish a car. It's tiny, like 2x2, 1x1 sections, and then you'll get a very like thorough clean of the headliner. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then and after, this is what you'll get. Very, very good results for the little bit. I think this might have taken me 30-45 minutes to get just the back half. Obviously, I still got to do a little bit more in the front half, but I mean, it took me like 30-45 minutes with the high-speed drill brush. I'm not drill brush, polisher with a microfiber polisher pad on it. Works very well.